Hi everyone. In this video, which is part 8 of running Grid Smoother via command line terminal, we'll explore how GridPro handles grid data in both ASCII and binary formats. ASCII format. GridPro by default writes grid file in ASCII format. This human-readable format allows for easy inspection of grid coordinates and data. You can open an ASCII grid file in any text editor to view its contents. Additionally, GridPro's UI can directly load and visualize ASCII files. Binary format. For optimized storage and transfer, GridPro offers the capability to write grids in binary format. Binary formats are more compact, resulting in significantly smaller file sizes compared to their ASCII counterparts. This is particularly advantageous for larger grids where storage and transfer speeds are critical. Writing grids in binary format. To write a grid in binary format, add -b parameter to the write command within your schedule file. For instance, write -b -fbinary.tmp. This command instructs GridSmoother to write the grid data in binary format to the file named binary.tmp after each step. Save the schedule file and run the GridSmoother in the terminal. The binary file is approximately half the size of ASCII grid file size. When we open in a text editor, the file appears as a series of characters that are not human readable. Conversion utilities. GridPro provides utilities for converting between ASCII and binary formats. Binary to ASCII converts a binary grid file to ASCII format. ASCII to binary converts an ASCII grid file to binary format. The syntax for these commands is as follows: binary to ASCII, ASCII to binary. For visualization and direct inspection, utilize the ASCII format. However, when storage, space, or transfer speeds are paramount, especially for larger grids, opt for binary format. GridPro's conversion utilities provide flexibility to switch between formats as needed. Thank you for watching.